to change language on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change language on Pinterest. So let's begin. Since we cannot use our mobile in changing the language on our Pinterest, what I will be teaching you is changing the language on Pinterest with the use of laptop or PC. So let's go ahead. Once you are on your laptop or your PC, make sure to open a web browser such as Safari, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and many more. So I would prefer using Google Chrome. So go to pinterest.com or .ph, for example, if you are from the Philippines, or um, just type in pinterest.com and it will redirect you to whichever country that you have. And then simply sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, click on this button right here, found on the rightmost part of your screen. I mean, on the upper right corner of your screen, and then go to settings right here. So scroll down a little bit, and then you may be able to see the country and language option. So if you cannot see your country or language option right here, you may go to account management or go to personal information. So go ahead on personal information and choose your country. So for example, I would choose Canada and then change the language into whichever you want. So you may choose whichever language such as your Indonesian, your Dansk, your English, Espanol, or the Italiano, and many more. So I may choose Espanol if I want to, and click on Save right here, which is the red button. So click on Save, wait for it to load, and then you should refresh your Pinterest, and as you can see, my language now has been changed. If you want to um, reset the settings, what you're going to do is to simply click on reset right here. If you understand this language, then click on reset. And then once you reset your settings, you need to refresh it again. And then that's it. That's how you can change your language on Pinterest.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.